We've just been awarded £1.8 million from ERDF to support a brand new project called CALMERIC. CALMERIC actually stands for Composites and Additive Layer Materials, and we're actually going to be launching an engineering, research and innovation centre at Telford, targeting SMEs from Staffordshire and Shropshire areas. The project will be based in the School of Engineering in Telford. There'll be some new kit and equipment that we'll be funding through the project to support local businesses, and the benefits will be that there'll be research collaborations with the academic expertise supporting the business growth. Businesses will actually get quite a lot of support at no cost to them at the moment initially from research academics. We will trial and test some of their products and services using our up-to-date equipment that we've got based at the School of Engineering, and we'll give them a full report and they can then decide if that's something they want to implement into their businesses on a longer term basis.